Hi, my name is Brennan and I'm 10 years old. The cooking skill I'm going to share with you today is measuring. To practice these skills, we will be making a blueberry muffin in a mug. The blueberry muffin in a mug is adapted from Celebrate Your Plate recipe that can be found at celebrateyourplate.org. My first step is to wash my hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. These supplies we will need include a microwave-safe mug, measuring spoons, liquid measuring cup, dry measuring cups, and a spoon. Our ingredients include flour, brown sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, extra virgin olive oil, low-fat milk, and blueberries. We will gather all of our ingredients before we start. Our first step is to measure the dry ingredients. To measure dry ingredients, fill the measuring cup or measuring spoon with the level top of the handle of your spoon or the back of a butter knife. We do not pack down the ingredients except for the brown sugar. The recipe calls for 1/3 cup of flour, Now we need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. One-4 teaspoon of baking powder. One-8 teaspoon of salt. And a pinch of cinnamon. Now I will use my spoon to stir all the dry ingredients. The next step is to mix in the olive oil. In measuring small amounts of liquid, like this one, we will want to pour the liquid into the measuring spoon over a separate bowl, so that if it spills over it, it does not go into our muffin. 1 1/8. After adding in the oil, we will need to mix it into the dry ingredients so there are no chunks. Our next step is to measure the wet ingredients to properly measure liquid. You must use a liquid measuring cup. When we pour the liquid, we want the cup sitting on a level surface and be at eye level. We will pour so that the liquid is in line with the amount we need. This recipe calls for 1/4 cup of milk. Finally, we need to add the blueberries. To do this, we will scoop them out using the measuring spoon. We'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now it is time to cook the muffin. We will microwave the muffin for 2 minutes. Warning, mug will be hot when removing from the microwave. Top it with blueberries and enjoy. Cautious, may be hot.